Okay, so today I don't know. I didn't really do too much. Yesterday was a long night. Poznan has been such a cool city. I've just been kind of relaxing, enjoying time with people, and just kind of enjoying myself. But I did kind of film a little bit of today. I don't know if you count this as a vlog, but yeah, here's what happened today. Dobre, wszystko dobrze, jak się masz? Hope you guys are doing great today here in Poznan. If you guys missed the last couple of days, I'm actually kind of starting the day back at this whole Malta festival here in Poznan. Looks like they have like a marketplace or something out here. No idea, just kind of walking around, starting the day. Yesterday was a long day. The sun is out today, so if you know the sun is out, even though I'm tired, gotta be out. Always something going on. What on earth? I don't understand anything. I actually think I'm gonna come back. There's always, like I tell you guys, there's always something going on. I didn't understand anything there, but it was super interesting. And right now, making my way, not even sure, but I'm kind of leaving out of the center area, making my say is I'm really impressed with Poznan. I don't know, it seems like a really chill city. I don't know if it's just me, but someone said this to me, and I think maybe because they said it, now it's really affecting me. But it just seems easy to breathe here. Like, it feels easier to breathe here than other places. It just feels like the air, maybe it sounds stupid, it just seems so, it's so quiet and chill here. I'm liking this city. I think the thing I love about it the most, though, is it's really concentrated. It's not hard to find something to do. It's not far spaced out. If you want to find a park, there's like 4 or 5 parks within like 2 minutes riding on the scooters, you know. And I feel like that's something that's pretty important, especially as I was talking so much with you guys before, when you don't know anybody, you're trying to meet people, you want a city, you want something that's concentrated, because it makes it a lot easier to meet people. But on that note, still making my way up here to try to get, I feel like here in the city, everyone is just chilling. Like, it seems like it's like not such a fast city with everyone going around running crazy. Everyone's just chilling. People are walking. It's peaceful. Like, it's one of those cities I just feel like walking around and just sitting on just a bench that's here on the road. But like everyone, all the benches are like occupied right now. Everyone is doing that already. It's like super chill. Like, listen. And honestly, I'm kind of sitting here and kind of still here in the center of Poznan, but just enjoying the city, enjoying the vibes of the city is really cool. I felt like I was gonna go like explore and do all this kind of stuff, but I don't know, this feels like a really, I don't know, it just feels like such a chill place. It feels like, you know, it's hard to explain. I'm still trying to understand this city, because it's fun, you got a lot of stuff to do, but at the same time, there's really quiet, chill places where I feel like I just want to chill, and I look around and everyone's kind of just sitting down. People are sitting on the things over there, people are sitting on the benches there, and it's just like, that's the kind of mood it in. And I'm very impressed with the city. And if I had to have a plan for today, I think it's just gonna be one of those chill days. And that brings me back here to where I've been chilling today. I've been hanging out with people. I've been relaxing. I've been just walking around. I've been sitting around. I've been just riding around on these scooters. I feel super calm here. This place is, I mean, you can hear it. Like there's just so many parks, so many chill places. I really like this place. I'm happy to be back in Poland. I think that's the main thing. And to be in a new place here in Poland for me is just amazing. To have you guys support. I was here the first 2 days. I didn't post anything to Instagram. I didn't post anything anywhere. Only people who really knew me, only my friends who actually asked how I was doing or where I was actually knew about it, or you guys who I've met. So many of you guys I've met just walking around, and you guys knew I've been here, or you in Warsaw, you guys knew I was coming here. But other than that, I've been super calm, and just having posted today for the first time and getting you guys responses and just your support, it really means a lot to me, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. Actually, I'm gonna cut this scooter off. Just having you guys support and just, you know, it just feels great. And it's been a long couple weeks of moving and running around and place to place, but yeah, I think I'm gonna stay here in Poland for a little while. I feel like I need to chill, I need to relax, and moving around is fun. I love it, but eventually you got to come back to a place to relax, and Poland is that place. I love it here. I'm so happy to be here. I'm happy to have you guys support, happy to bring you guys along with me. And kind of on that note, gonna sit here and finish enjoying my time and the rest of the day here, but I will bid you guys all a good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in this world, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.
Okay, should we come over here?
No. Hola.
Now please Helen's channel. You are welcome to the next channel which I am providing. So